Apple's next big flagship is already making headlines, and this time it's all about color. New leaked photos of the iPhone 18 Pro camera covers have appeared online, giving a much clearer look at what Apple's upcoming premium phones could look like. And honestly, these might be the closest preview yet of the iPhone 18 Pro design before launch. The leaks show 4 different camera cover colors that reportedly match the official iPhone 18 Pro lineup. According to multiple reports, Apple is planning to launch the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max in dark gray, silver, sky blue, and the brand new dark cherry color. Out of all 4 colors, dark cherry is clearly getting the most attention. This is expected to be Apple's signature color for the iPhone 18 Pro series, similar to how desert titanium became the highlight color for previous iPhones. But this new shade is very different from anything Apple has done before. The leaked camera covers were reportedly shared through Chinese platform Weibo and later posted online by known leaker Use1122. Even though these are not the actual phones, they still give a very good idea of how the final iPhone 18 Pro models might look. Because these are glass camera covers, the colors appear more shiny and reflective than the actual phones will probably be. Apple usually uses matte finishes on Pro iPhones, so the final products may look a little softer and less glossy in real life. Still, the leaks are enough to show Apple's direction for this year's design. And yes, the massive camera island from the iPhone 17 Pro redesign is staying. Apple does not seem ready to move away from the larger rear camera layout yet. The camera bump still takes up a huge portion of the back, giving the phone a bold and instantly recognizable look. The sky blue color is another interesting option. It looks clean, modern, and premium, and some fans are already comparing it to older Sierra Blue iPhones. Silver looks classic as always, while dark gray keeps that stealthy professional look Apple users usually like. But the real debate right now is all about dark cherry. Earlier concept renders made dark cherry look deeper, richer, and more dramatic. Some renders even showed a dark wine red finish that looked extremely premium, but in these newly leaked photos, the color appears lighter and less intense than expected. That has disappointed some fans online. Many people were hoping dark cherry would finally become the perfect alternative to black iPhones. A lot of users love darker phones, and since Apple reportedly has no black color planned for the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, dark cherry was expected to fill that gap. But based on these leaks, it looks more like a muted dark red instead of a deep black-red fusion. It still looks unique, but maybe not as aggressive or luxurious as earlier rumors suggested. And surprisingly, Apple may once again skip a pure black Pro model this year. Reports have repeatedly claimed that the iPhone 18 Pro series will not include a black finish at all. That decision has definitely divided fans because black has always been one of the safest and most popular smartphone colors. Some reports suggest Apple could be saving a special black design for the rumored iPhone 20 Pro, which is expected to be a major anniversary redesign. But for now, users wanting a classic black iPhone Pro may have to wait another year. Even with that disappointment, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup is still shaping up to be one of Apple's most stylish releases in years. The combination of sky blue and dark cherry gives the lineup a much fresher identity compared to previous generations. And remember, this is only about the colors. The actual phone itself is rumored to bring some major upgrades too. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro models could feature a smaller dynamic island, improved battery life, a more advanced A20 Pro chip built on a 2nm process, and major camera improvements. Apple is also rumored to be working on better AI features and upgraded cooling systems for gaming and performance. Camera upgrades are expected to remain a huge focus. Reports mention improvements to the 48-megapixel main camera, ultrawide sensor, and telephoto performance. Apple may also continue improving low-light photography and video stabilization, but visually, the colors are becoming one of the biggest talking points because smartphone design has started feeling repetitive lately. Most phones now look very similar from the front, so color choices have become one of the easiest ways for companies to stand out. That's probably why Apple is pushing harder with colors like dark cherry and sky blue. And honestly, even though these are just leaked camera covers, they are already creating massive discussions online. Some fans love the new direction, while others still want Apple to bring back a true black Pro iPhone. Right now, sky blue seems to be the safest crowd favorite, but dark cherry could still surprise everyone once the final phone is officially revealed under proper lighting and materials. Leaks never show the full story perfectly. Apple's final finishes usually look much better in official hands-on videos and real-world lighting compared to early component leaks, so the final version of Dark Cherry could still end up looking incredible. One thing is certain though, Apple clearly wants the iPhone 18 Pro to feel different from previous generations, and these colors are a huge part of that strategy. Now, the big question is simple. Which color would actually be the best choice this year? Dark gray for the classic look, silver for the clean premium style, sky blue for the modern vibe, or dark cherry for something bold and different? Drop thoughts in the comments because this might become one of the most debated iPhone color lineups in years. And if more iPhone 18 leaks, Apple updates, and tech news are interesting, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so nothing gets missed.